but I'm here to really understand the needs of the community. And I have a commitment to doing this work. When I took the job, I was very clear I didn't need to come to work. I have a Harvard degree, trained at Cal, I'm employable. So I don't need to come here to pimp my people, essentially. I don't need to take them through another planning process. What I do want to do is I want to do something real, and I want to know if there's a commitment to implementing this work when we complete this planning process. And I got a green light that we were committed to implementing this work. And so the plan is developed, and I want to explain to you all what that plan kind of looks like. And the mayor is committed to making this one of the major initiatives in the second term once it's confirmed that he will in fact be our mayor in the next 4 years. But I came to sit down with Sharon and I said, we really have a commitment to honoring the work that's already been done, because San Francisco does a lot of planning. We plan and we plan and we talk to the community and we plan and we plan, but we don't always do. And we don't have a comprehensive strategy that aligns everything that we're doing in the city, and we are doing a lot. In San Francisco, we spend on the low side about $60 million for violence prevention. And I want to just give you a sense of the magnitude of that money. San Francisco has a $6.6 billion budget. Oakland has less than $1 billion budget, and they have a funding source of about $20 million dedicated to violence prevention. The population in Oakland is dramatically larger than the population in San Francisco that's at risk. When we look at the total population of people at risk in San Francisco, it is minute in comparison to cities across the country and throughout the Bay Area. We're talking about a very small population of black folks, because we all left, right? We're talking about a very small population. We are without a functioning black middle class here in San Francisco, and so we're really talking about the least among us. We're really talking about the least among us. But we have an incredible investment in violence prevention here in San Francisco. Unfortunately, the way that we currently operate is highly duplicative. We spend a lot of money with the same organizations, and we don't really hold them accountable to outcomes. And we don't hold ourselves as city agencies accountable to outcomes and results, and ensuring that the people that we target to provide service to are actually receiving those services, and that they're having a positive impact on the community. So we embarked on this planning process about a year ago after CLAER's advocacy and after the advocacy of numerous folks throughout the city of San Francisco who asked for a unified plan. We want to know what is the city's strategy to address violence in our communities and articulate how we allocate our resources in a transparent way. I'm talking about transparency and accountability and setting very high expectations and very high standards, because we have an obligation to the residents of San Francisco that we will improve public safety. Everyone has the right to make safe and violence-free, period, point blank. Whether you live on the west side of the marina or right here in Visitacion Valley, we have an obligation to provide violence-free, safe communities.